The klairs Supple Preparation Toner has been around for more than 6 years now, and it's only now that I've gotten around to filming a review. The main reason is that I tend to shy away from most things that fall under the category Korean beauty. Not because I assume these products are bad, but because I feel like I'm too old for the mostly kawaii packaging. Sleek, functional, preferably black and white, that's my aesthetics. Anything cutesy and pink drives me away. Granted though, the klairs Supple Preparation Toner packaging is neither pink nor cute, so time to get over myself and see if it is a cult favorite for a reason. Hi, I'm Dr. Anne. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for skincare that works. On this channel we explore the science behind skin and do quick reviews, so you learn to pick exactly those products that work for your individual skin concern. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell. Oh, and good news for all lovers of fragrance-free skincare, klairs released an unscented version in 2019, which allegedly works just as good but lacks the essential oil. But before we get into that, let's hear what klairs has to say. Balances the skin's pH level and improves the effectiveness of your entire skincare regimen, helping you to achieve your best skin. Enhance the effectiveness of serums and creams with the klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner that balances your skin's natural pH levels, creating the perfect canvas for your skincare products to work. There are two different sizes available. 30 ml, the one that I have here, great for trying the product, and 180 ml for those that already know they love it. This toner is a little thicker than water but still very runny. It has a herbal scent that disappears after application. After I read the ingredient list, I could identify the lavender and eucalyptus. Before, it just felt, herbal, warm, but describing scents is not my forte. You probably already know that by now. It is suitable for both morning and nighttime use. I tend to reach for it in the mornings where my focus is on hydration. klairs will tell you that this toner can be patted in repeatedly onto dry areas for improved effect, and I can attest that this indeed layers very well. But as I have 0 patience in the mornings, I don't tend to do more than one layer. When looking at the ingredient list, it is important to note that while many amazing ingredients are present in the formula, due to the nature of a toner, they are most likely in low concentrations. So don't expect a huge effect on your skin. There are quite a few humectants, but on top of that it contains Centella asiatica, vitamin E, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a stable and promising vitamin C derivative, several soothing ingredients like panthenol and amino acids, simethylsulfone and copper tripeptide 1. The essential oils used are among others lavender oil, which is pretty controversial, and 2 different citrus peel oils, again problematic for many people. I get why they came out with an unscented version that, at least from looking at the label, is not very different, with the exception of containing no essential oils at all, but still a few plant extracts if you are in general sensitive to them. Now, if you ask me if the klairs Supple Preparation Toner is worth your money, yes, it hydrates the skin and when applied shortly before will increase the penetration of your serum. Whether you or not you feel it soothing probably depends on where you stand on essential oils. I personally don't mind them and my skin feels calm after applying it. If I compare it to other hydrating toners like the Pixi Hydrating Toner, which you know that I love, they also focus on hydration, are similar in texture but have less other beneficial ingredients. I don't know if that matters though, given the low concentrations of beneficial ingredients in a toner itself. So if that is a selling point for you or not, you have to decide for yourself. Asking whether or not I would repurchase, well, I already placed an order for the unscented version to compare. I'm not too keen on the scent, and while I don't mind essential oils in my products, if the scent is not pleasant to me, I don't need them in my routine either. As far as skin types, that I would recommend this toner to anyone that likes using a toner. This is of course not an essential step in a skincare routine, and anyone that's not sensitive to essential oils. Other than that, soothing and hydrating is something that almost every skin needs. Please tell me in the comments below if you have tried this one. It is a cult favorite after all, and what your thoughts are. I'm going to link to more videos on the screen now that I think you might enjoy, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another one. Bye!